In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily check who is logged into your Instagram account. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. If you suspect that someone else may have logged into your Instagram account, then let me show you how we can easily check it out. Let's get started, guys, and first off we need to open up Instagram app and then tap right here to go to our Instagram profile. Now we need to tap right here at these three lines, then go to Account Center. Here we need to tap Add Password and Security, and that's where we can easily find where you are logged in. On the next step, we need to choose our Instagram account. Here, as you can see, I have just one device in that list. However, if you've logged into multiple devices or your account is used on multiple devices, you'll be able to find all of them here in this list. I've logged into my Facebook account on multiple devices, so I'm gonna show you how it looks like on Facebook, because on Instagram it works in exact the same way. Here, as you can see, I got several devices, and if in your case you find here some unknown devices, then you can easily log out your account from that device right from here. To do that, all you have to do is just tap right here at Select Devices to log out. Then select one or several devices. You can also select all of your devices here by tapping at Select All. And then all you have to do is just hit Add Logout to log out from all selected devices. However, guys, here is one more tip for you. If someone has logged into your account, they obviously know your password. So now I recommend that you go to Password and Security and hit right here at Change Password. Then select your Instagram account, and on the next step you will be able to set new password for your Instagram account. First off, right here at the first field you need to enter current password, and then here at the second one just enter new password and then re-enter it in the last one. Keep in mind that your password must be at least 6 characters long and should include a combination of numbers, letters, and special characters. To continue, hit Add that button. Basically, guys, that's it. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.